Hey guys, today we've got to replace a water filter for a filtration system in a house. My house. There it is. Look, a lot of dirt, a lot of dirt. Okay, so we're just gonna do what I do and you can watch. Okay, first, you always turn the water off. Make sure you turn the water off, always. But I've already done that. And so now what you do is you take your tool, turn it off up here. It says off, just turn the top of it. Now you take your tool, and I've already took this loose, let the water drain. It takes a while. But what you do is you take your tool, you get it to fit just right, move it up, turn it, take it loose, take your tool off. And then we do this right here, take it out. Like I said, you're going to get some water, okay? You're going to get some water. Look at that. Wow. Okay, hold on. Now I gotta wash it out. Sorry you guys can't see this. Now that you clean it out, it don't have to be perfect, but you get the new filter, which will be this one. There's a hole up here where this goes, right here. Unfortunately, this one won't stay on there. So there's a rubber ring. Make sure your rings are good. I'll wash that off a little more. Just a little bit more, just a little bit, so that I know the seal's good. Okay, now the seal's good. So what you do now is you take this and you put it, there's a thing at the bottom, you center it, it'll set down on it. It's right there. Okay, now, kind of hold it, balance it. Make sure you get it in the center at the top. You tighten it down, okay? Now this part right here is kind of aggravating, because you have to get it tight. Okay, now, you're going to turn the water on down here, down there at the main water source, but don't turn it on up here yet, because if this thing leaks and you turn it full blast, it's going to go everywhere, okay? So you keep that off. Go ahead. Turn the water on, it starts filling up. Now, right here's where it gets bad, because now it's starting to gain pressure. Turn it on slow. Let it start. Turn it on slow, don't turn it on fast. Okay, turn it all the way on. And we are filtering. Very simple job, very easy. It's helped the water in the house tremendously. Keeps dirt out of the pipes, keeps everything clean. Gale Man, live, here we go. Y'all come out and check us out again.